Hello guys, today we will understand 50 kitchen utensils names. Knife, knife, fork, fork, spoon, spoon, spatula, spatula, ladle, ladle, whisk, whisk, tongs, tongs, peeler, peeler, grater, grater, colander, colander, cutting board, cutting board, mixing bowl, mixing bowl, measuring cup, measuring cup, measuring spoon, measuring spoon, rolling pin, rolling pin, can opener, can opener, bottle opener, bottle opener, corkscrew, corkscrew, kitchen shears, kitchen shears, garlic press, garlic press, potato masher, potato masher, egg beater, egg beater, ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop, salad spinner, salad spinner, pastry brush, pastry brush, basting brush, basting brush, pasta fork, pasta fork, cheese knife, cheese knife, cake server, cake server, pie server, pie server, cutlery, cutlery, slotted spoon, slotted spoon, serving tongs, serving tongs, chopsticks, chopsticks, fish spatula, fish spatula, meat tenderizer, meat tenderizer, mortar and pestle, mortar and pestle, kitchen scale, kitchen scale, bread knife, bread knife, pastry blender, pastry blender, zister, zister, mandolin, mandolin, avocado slicer, avocado slicer, lemon squeezer, lemon squeezer, nutcracker, nutcracker, pepper mill, pepper mill, salt shaker, salt shaker, tea strainer, tea strainer, cheese grater, cheese grater. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for new videos.